have made it to Roatan, Honduras. It is kind of rainy today, so I'm hoping that'll blow off and the sun will come out before long. But we're just docking, and for today I have a fun, hopefully, excursion to do some zip lines. I'm going to see the sloths, and I'm going to bring you guys with me. So let's go have some fun today. Got it?
Yeah, just walk.
I made it to the King Kong zip line. I'm not exactly sure yet if they're gonna let me GoPro anything, but we're gonna keep our fingers crossed that I get to. Gotta hold on, going up a really steep hill right now. Definitely bouncy. I went down sideways on that one. Got to see the ship perfectly the whole way down.
There you go. Hold on. There you go.
I can't stay forward on those ones. I just keep turning backwards.
Coming in hot, girl. Two hands on top.
That was fast.
Pull up. I'm gonna give her a ticket, buddy. A speed limit, man.
That one was definitely the fastest I've been on. We're getting closer to the end, and then I get to go play with some sloths and some of the other animals that they have.
Got you, mama. Alright, grab the top on the floor.
Alright, thank you. That was the last zip line for me. Now I'm going to get out of all the safety gear and I'm going to go find out where the animals are. Always like the sloth right here. I got two. One here. So let me chew.
So one at a time, one at a time. Well, that's gonna take a while.
Oh, he's so little. Come on, pet him. I found a new friend. His name is Charlie. Look how cute he is. He's a little camera shy. So stinking cute. Oh, he wants his branch.
Give him that.
Don't like that. Chicky, he's chilling.
Oh, look at that.
He's tired.
Tired.
So that's my day in Roatan. Definitely had a lot of fun on the zip line. Those were a blast. The animals are really cool to see. There was a lot of standing, a lot of waiting in the hot sun. It was really crowded, so you didn't really get a whole lot of time with the animals, but it was still really cool. I love being able to see the sloths. I love being able to hold them. Definitely, you know, something to look into if you're coming to this island and you want to do a zip line and maybe see some sloth and monkeys, you know, check into it. As always, I want to thank you guys for watching. Until next time, have fun and stay safe.